Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick for diluting seeds that makes them easy to sow. As an example, I've got a packet of spring onion seeds here. They need to be sown thinly ideally. The seeds are very small and would take a long time to sow individually. So here's the trick. Take a container and add some sand. Next, add the seeds and mix thoroughly. When you come to sow your seeds, sprinkle the sand in your seed drill and the seeds will automatically be spaced apart. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and there are plenty more gardening videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.